People came in and their productivity was 4 times. They didn't want to leave. And the spirits were all time high because they felt that family connection.
What were you thinking about in just keeping the business moving in the right direction when COVID happened?
It was a very difficult time for everybody in all aspects. We were standing here in an empty warehouse, which we had never seen empty ever, because the factory in India was closed and everything was shut down. It was a very strange time where it was important to keep everybody together. Even though we didn't know what the next day would look like, we still had to keep everybody's hopes high. Everybody in the factory, they needed to ensure that they felt that they're secure and that we will work things out. We were one of the only few factories who did not cut anybody's salaries in India. Everybody received their full salaries without any work being done. We used all our savings up. Once that happened, and then slowly some portion or small percentage of people were allowed to work, people came in and their productivity was 4 times. They didn't want to leave. They wanted to make sure that they can produce as much as possible or as much as is required. And the spirits were all time high because they felt that family connection that we have been talking about for years and making a strong bond. They felt it because nobody who was working for us felt the financial aspects of COVID in their lives. We still had a lot of issues which continue till today, but we all fought against it together. We all found ways around it together and we all helped each other. There was a time when everybody in this warehouse was sick. It was me and Cameron and one more gentleman. We were engraving and shipping because people needed products. We three were doing work of 16 people. We would come in at 6 a.m. and just wear masks and just do what had to be done.
What you just said, all those things that I've learned from their family, these are all stories that then get ingrained into the culture of the company. And one thing that we do is we're very transparent with our staff, and we're always talking to our people about where we're going, what we're expecting, where we've been in the past. And then what happens is that bond just grows stronger because everyone here knows those stories. So when we hear about what happened in the factory in India, it can only make you feel inspired here. And then the people start to recognize that the same thing is happening here, and this is who we are.